What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to build up a case for your promotion with the help of Claude AI. So for that the process is very simple, easy and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So this is the Claude interface, the basic one that you guys are very familiar with. So if you go over here, I have selected Opus 4.8 with the maximum effort. I can reduce it to high because that is the one that we actually need to for this mission. So I have dropped you a detailed prompt. As you guys can see it covers all the aspects. It would act like an executive career coach and technical leadership mentor, preparing a promotion case to move into a senior leadership role, and I need you to help me structure the argument. So first thing that we need to provide is the current role. For example, like AI architect or engineering, the one that you are doing, targeted role, code focus, and other elements like answer the projects that we worked on. And after that, it will do these following. I will be attaching this prompt with the description so you guys can take it out. But obviously, when you're dealing with your own case, you have to be very descriptive about it. Make sure you first ask the Claude AI to give you a detailed prompt. Once you have the detailed prompt, you guys can simply copy and paste it inside your own details, and then you'll be ready to go. So that's pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.